Hello everyone. First, I want to start from a housekeeping. You will see there are a lot of words in my PowerPoint presentation because in my last hackathon we submitted our presentation and based on that they selected top 10 for the demonstration. So I put a lot of things so that they will understand and they will select me. So I'm sorry, but I will not read all the slide. I will just go skip the things and explain the important things. Now let's start. I am Raj Hussain, and at this moment I am alone, but I am from the Springfield College. I am the only one who came here, and I was looking for the team, and I found one northeastern student, and she left me after 2 hours study because she had a job. So she chose the job. Over that, I thought let's create the job. So I am here to create the job. In addition, I always believe in group work. I always believe in the numbers of people, because even if you are smart, but there are number of smart people, so it will be the smartest of the smart. So I am hoping if you can resonate and if you think this project is your passion, I'll be more than happy to include you. And let's continue the journey of being billionaire together. Thank you. And today my project, the things that I make is like blockchain guardian. Guardian means like the parents or the one who is guarding, the under which a lot of other people work, and it's like AI power monitoring agent. As we know that number of millions of transactions is happening every day, and it's very hard to see the screen or monitor by the human. So we are making an AI agent that will monitor everything and give the notification when needed, so that it is like 24/7. It will work for you, but it will give notification when there is something suspicious. Let's talk about the challenges. So what are the challenges that is in the market, because of which I thought let's make this one. First, information overloaded. I say that hundreds, thousands of the transactions is happening every day, every minute. Delay response. If there is any suspicious things happen, if people are doing them manually, by the time they detect the problem, it's too late. Technical barrier, resources intensive, and lack of intelligence. I said that even though these things are not, everyone cannot do everything calculation from their mind. For that, we need the AI agent that can do the 100% correct calculation and help our work easier. And in order to solve this problem, we come up with the idea of AI power evidence monitoring agent. And with the help of this agent, we are going to solve the problem. We are going to give the real-time monitoring. It will be like 24/7. I'm also integrating like AI power analysis. AI will analyze everything and give us the correct result. The great thing and the great part is like it will give the notification in your phone, your laptop, or wherever you are integrating. Like right now, it is giving the notification in my phone and in my laptop, and we can make notification. Actually, that is the great part, because it is scanning throughout the day, and whenever there is any chances of fraud or anything, it gives notification, so you can just go and check, so it will save your time. Let's talk about the technology, the tech stack that I have used. I know you are not, a lot of you might not be familiar with, so I will just go. I am using the Node.js. At this moment, I have used the OpenAI API, and as I said that we were like so much close with the Telegram at this in this program, so I use the notification for the Telegram. So these are like the simple tech stack. We can go in the detail if you are interested. What is the key feature? I will say that's continuous block monitoring. I think I said 3 times. It's like 24/7. It will monitor for us. This is one of the key feature. Second thing is like we have dual layer detection. First, we have this is our variable. If our transaction value is more than 100 AVAX, or if the gas fee is more than 1 AVAX, it is like indication that there is a threat. Secondly, I have also integrated AI power and NMOD detection to identify the suspicious. So there is two factor that is checking the detection. As an AI, so it is like intelligence analysis and instant notification. I already said. Notification, there are also other some of the platforms that give notification, but our notification is so unique than other, because we are giving the compressive data in the sense of we have a hash value, we have a status, but the most important thing is that you can see that there is a link view on advanced. If you click there, you can see which transition number has the problem, so you can directly go and check. So this is like so efficient. Sorry about that. Again, talking about the technical implementation, this is more about the technology things. We are doing the block monitoring, loop transition, filtration, AI analysis pipeline. This is technology things. If you want, we can talk more about that one. And these are the products. And people can make a lot of product. But what is the use of this product? There are multiple of uses, but I just point out a couple of them here. Let's talk about the investor. I know there are a lot of people who will be investor here. So for the investor, it can help you track the whale movement. If there is very significant movement of the money, it will give you notification, so you will know that what is happening. Receiving notification. For the developer, I'm also a developer, so if there is anything, any hack is going or any code is changing, I will get the notification, and based on that, I can go and check where is the bug is going or where there is a potential attack. And let me say one thing. I have just created. I'm sorry, I'm fasting. This is why my mouth is getting like that. I was saying, sorry. This is a basic platform, and from that you can tailor whatever you want. For example, for the developer, they can just put their variable and they can use for the developer. For the security team, this will help you in that find the suspicious transaction, flag address, and these things. So I have created a baseline, and from that you can just put your variable and you can use in any field. Live demo I will show from my laptop, so I will show at the end like how my code is working. It is giving, even though it is working 24/7, and whenever I am using the live data of avalanches, I call their endpoint, and it is using live data, and whenever it is detection, it is giving me notification. I will show in my laptop. I'll show at the end because we need to change. Future development and roadmap. Obviously, I was alone. I was working, so I was not able to complete everything. So I have some plan. Short term, we can use the multiple blockchain networks, bring a lot of other blockchain, enhance AI model. Yeah, we can train our AI model so that it will be like very tailored and personalized web dashboard, long-term prediction analysis. Even though a lot of people talk about the stock and these are all the things, automated trading and a lot of things we can do in the future. Summary. I put the summary at the end because I speak a lot. I don't know how much did you grab. So at the end, I just want to give the important features. So there is like real-time transaction monitoring. It is 24/7 and it will give notification whenever needed. Customizable detection. There is a link, or there will be the link so that you can directly go where is the problem. You do not need to search where was the problem, where did you get the notification. AI power inside. I said you like notification and I am just pointing out like couple of things like in developer security, but it is for everyone. It is the baseline, but you can customize for any need, any things that you are looking for. So this is a small video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for bearing till this time. Here is my LinkedIn. Here is my GitHub. Let me show my code in my laptop. Can you see?
Yeah.
You have 1 more minute.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Sorry. So this is the code. You can see that this is like real time. Like I just started and it will do 24/7. And it is using different parameters. For example, transition value, gas price, and based on that, it is also giving you the confidential score. And if it is like exceeding, then it will give you notification. And when it pushes the notification, you will get notification like this. You will get the notification like this. It will pop up here. So this is one notification. It was good, so it will show you success. If it is like there is a chances, it will give you the wrong, like the transaction will not happen. And the main thing is that I was not able to do all the things, but like I'm going to integrate like green, orange and red. Green is not significant, but like orange, when there is like, for example, less capital value but high gas value, then it will go the orange and it will ask for double authentication with me over the user. So if they authenticate, the transition will happen. Otherwise, if it is red, they need to do two more authentication in order to do the transaction. Red, it will not go. For that, you need to cross verification. This is a small overview of my project. Feel free to ask the question.
So you mentioned in this last part having this second authentication. Would that require an integration with a wallet itself, or how are you picturing that happening?
This is a great question, and I was not able to include, but I just use the word tailor. Like this is two form. One, for example, if I'm creating one baseline for the company, so company will use, for example, every salary is 50,000, so we are creating one baseline that is for the company, and that baseline will for the company. But for the wallet, this is I'm also planning for the wallet. For the wallet, it depends on individual. It will ask some data. For example, what is your earning and this thing, and based on that we are making the baseline, we are making the the threshold, and based on that it will give the notification whether it's crossed or not. But the major question was that, for example, if it is on my wallet form, and for example my capital value is good but my gas value is high, so there is like possibility that it will give the orange signature and it will ask for my double authentication, whether it is in the form of this finger or there is also chips in the laptop. Last time the professor told me. So from that we can do, and that transaction will happen instantly. But when there is like a high threat, it will be red and transaction will be stopped. For that you need to do this and also other verification. Did I answer your question? Thank you.
So how are you arriving at confidence scores? Because you said there was one example you gave that has a 20% confidence score. Like, how are you actually arriving at confidence scores relative to your?
Let me just jump onto that. How are you informing all of this? Like, what are all your sources of information that you're able to evaluate?
So at this moment, I am calling the API of Ava Labs, and they have the data and on the basis of data, this is one parameter I set. For example, your income, your gas value, and these things, and I set one threshold. So this is for me. But tomorrow, for example, based on your situation, we can make your threshold, and that will be for you. Based on a company, they can make their threshold. For example, if you are going for the small company, everyone's salary is 10,000. So they will make threshold on that basis. For example, if the Google everyone is making 200,000, the threshold will be different. So this is different parameter people can use to tailor their threshold and their notification.
Also, what are you sort of looking to do in the future in terms of additional functionalities and features?
Yeah, this is a great question. But I will say that in order to look for the variable, I think the income is one of the great one. Gas prices is a great one. We can also look for, I don't know, it depends on the people's situation, and I do not have like very depth knowledge because I was just doing that. But I think you can include the parameter based on that one, and I think it depends on the company people. So yeah, depend on the company and people. I'll go like that. Oh, thank you. Wait, I have one thing, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you.